Many drivers may be operating their vehicles in severe use conditions and not realize it, and this can affect the maintenance for your vehicle. The recommended manufacturer's maintenance intervals for personal vehicles is found in the owner's manual and are for normal use conditions. However, many manuals may provide information for severe use. Severe use conditions may require more frequent maintenance intervals. The following questions will help you determine if your vehicle is being used under severe use conditions. If you answer yes to one or more of these questions, you may want to shorten the time between maintenance intervals, especially for motor oil and oil filter changes. Here are the questions. Question number 1. Are most trips in your vehicle in stop-and-go traffic? Question number 2. Are most trips in your vehicle less than 3 to 10 miles? Question number 3. Do you operate your vehicle when the outside temperature is less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit? Question number 4. Do you drive your vehicle in dusty conditions? Question number 5. Is your vehicle used for commercial use, which includes Uber and Lyft taxi service or delivery services like DoorDash? Question number 6. Do you frequently use your vehicle to tow a trailer or haul a heavy load? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, at the very least, it should encourage you to do more research about your vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching.